Today's topic is how DFT is related to other transforms. How DFT is related to other transforms. As per your syllabus, what are the other transforms? One is discrete time Fourier series, discrete time Fourier transform, and Z transform. This sign, this is there. So this is not there, but all three I am covering. So relationship to DTFS, discrete time Fourier series. What is the formula for Fourier series coefficient? Ck. 1 by n equal to 0 to n minus 1, xp of n e power minus j 2 pi by n nk. But if you observe carefully, this is the formula for xk. What is xk is DFT. So DFT is related to discrete time Fourier series coefficient. So this is the relation. Ck equal to 1 by n x of k. Next, how DFT related to discrete time Fourier transform. This is the Fourier transform formula. But this x of n replaced with the IDFT formula. X of n replaced with the IDFT formula. So here x of k coming. Then change the order of summation. 1 by n k equal to 0 to n minus 1 x of k remaining function of n. So combine these two. Here it is e power j 2 pi by n nk e power minus j omega n. So what I should get? E power minus j n cancel n. So omega n. Minus minus plus. Then e power plus j 2 pi by n nk. This term. So both the terms are available here. Then mathematically you know this expansion. 0 to n minus 1 e power minus j of this. What is the formula? 1 minus e power minus j. This n is replaced with the capital N. This small n replaced with the capital N. So 1 minus e power minus j omega n minus 2 pi k n cancel by 1 minus e power minus j, the same thing, omega n minus 2 pi k by n. Other than this, remaining you have to write. So 1 by n, this term as is this. So what is this one? Is a Fourier transform. What is this one? DFT. So this DFT related to Fourier transform. So if you know x of k, by doing this you will find the Fourier transform. Then last one, relationship to Z transform. Now write the Z transform formula. This x of n replaced with this formula, this same. Then change the order of summation. This you take it out, this inside, both the exponential. This is a z power minus 1 to the power of n. Now this as it is, then 0 to n minus e, this term to the power of n. So similar to this formula, what you get? 1 minus z power, here in place of k you write n. N will go, e power j 2 pi value is 1, z power minus n, divided by 1 minus e power j 2 pi by n k, z power minus 1. So other than this, as it is this term you write 1 minus of this. So here x of z is a z transform and x of k is a DFT. So if you know DFT, by doing this you will get a z transform. So DFT related to z transform, DFT related to Fourier transform, DFT related to Fourier series coefficient. This is the simple small concept how they are related. Sometimes they ask this in any exam, but idea is very simple. If they are asking to Fourier transform, write Fourier transform formula, substitute IDFT inverse, and this formula remember general formula and simplify. This and this logic same. So it is easy topic and easily you can answer in any exam.